Hey all, welcome back to another baking episode. Today, let's make some choco chip cookies. So, to start with, let's prepare the dough. First, add a 100-gram bar of butter to the mixing bowl and whisk it once. Then, add half a cup of powdered sugar and cream them until soft and fluffy. Add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and give it a nice mix so that it turns crumbly. End up mixing by adding some choco chip. Even if you don't, still it would turn out perfect. Now knead the scrambles as a dough. Shape the dough in such a way that your cookie wanna look like. At last, bake it in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. And you're done! It's perfect! Oh, it is scrumptious! And y'all, hope you will like this video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting instant notifications when I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye!